Welcome, today I am with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the Spigen case. I'm going to show you a quick overview of this protection case. Okay, so let's quickly open it. So that's all what we have, our protection case and this additional paperwork. It looks like we have right here some kind of the wireless charger made with the Samsung and Spigen. That's our case. It's flexible. There is no any fingerprints when I touch it, and that's the good point. I also try to use the liquid air for the S23, and on the liquid air I leave fingerprints when I touch it. Right here we cannot find any fingerprints, so that's very good point. And it's well made. Let's put it on the phone. By the way, I have protection on my screen and also on the lenses. And it looks like everything is fine with this additional protection. So the case looks like that on the phone. As you can see right here, we can find grip, additional grip at the bottom. So it feels safe in my hand. Let's take a look how the buttons works. Volume up, volume down, separate clicks, power key, everything fine. At the bottom we can find easy access for our USB-C port, for our S Pen. That's also cut out for the speaker next to the S Pen. At the top, cut out for our microphone. And at the back, that small cutout for each lens and big cutout for this lens, and it's probably some kind of the tough 3D sensor, I guess. And it feels really good, it looks really good. I can definitely recommend you this case. And by the way, as you can see, this case goes a little bit above the screen right here and right here. So when I'm gonna put it like that on the flat surface, probably I'm not gonna scratch my screen. And there's also one thing that I want to mention, it's very important, about this protection lens that I have right here. So we have to remember to, if you have this case with the separate cutouts, just buy the same glass. Because on the S23 I have this case, but I have not separate glasses. I have one top that is sticking like that. So this case actually on the S23 is bending like that in this place, and it's not looking good. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.